Hi everyone and welcome all to Jodah Interior Design. Thank you so much for making a decision to join us today and watch the video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you back here, and thank you all once again for tuning in. Now, in today's video, we'll talk about one of the easiest and honestly the most fun ways to transform any room in your home, and that is the wall art. Whether you are spicing up your living room, creating a peaceful bedroom retreat, or just looking for inspiration, I got you covered with simple tips, creative ideas, and design-friendly vibes. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's dive in. So, you may ask yourself, why is wall art even important? I mean, sure, you can live without it, right? But with it, your space suddenly feels alive. Wall art adds personality, tells your story, and sets the mood. Imagine a bare wall. Now imagine that same wall with a large abstract painting or a gallery of family photos. Big difference, right? Wall art isn't just decoration, it's expression. And that's the best part. You don't need to be an expert or spend a fortune. It's all about what feels good in your space. Let's start with the living room. It's the heart of every home, the space for entertaining, relaxing, Netflixing. I don't know if it's that the right word, Netflixing. Basically everything. A great place to begin with is with a statement piece. One large artwork over the sofa can anchor the whole room. Think bold abstracts, calming landscapes, or even a modern black and white photo. If you're more into variety, go for a gallery wall. Mix framed prints, quotes, mirrors, or even small shelves with plants. Use similar colors for a cohesive look or go full electric. It's your vibe. Another favorite, canvas set or templates. You know those 3-piece artworks that work together. They add flow and balance to wide spaces. Pro tip, make sure your art is hung at eye level, maybe around 57 to 60 inches from the floor to the center of the piece. Alright, now let's head to the bedroom. This space is all about calm, comfort, and creating a sense of retreat. Above the bed is prime real estate. Try soft, serene pieces like nature scenes, dreamy abstract art, or even a minimalist line drawing. Keep the colors soothing, think pastels, neutrals, or muted tones. If you're into quotes, the bedroom is a great spot for framed affirmations or meaningful words. Just one simple print can shift the energy of the room. You can also play with texture here. Woven wall hangings, macrame, or even a rustic wood sign can bring in that cozy earthy feel. And don't forget symmetry. If you have nightstands, try matching frames or art pieces above them to bring harmony in the space. Now, what if your style is a little bit of everything? That's totally okay. Modern art can live beside tribal prints. A botanical sketch can hang near a quote in cursive font, as long as there's some kind of connection, like color, theme, or frame style, it'll work. Don't be afraid to experiment. Lay your art out on the floor before hanging it, or even use painter's tape to map it out on the wall first. No rush, make it fun. Moving on, if you love a natural look, bring in organic textures. Think wood frames, art with leaves or botanical elements, even neutral tones, ceramics or as wall accents. Pair your wall art with hanging plants, floating shelves of soft lighting for that warm ground vibe. Remember, your walls don't have to be crowded. Sometimes one perfect piece is all you need. So, there you have it, guys. Easy, stylish wall art ideas with a little extra love for framed pieces to elevate your living room and bedroom. Decorate for you. Pick pieces that make you feel something. Whether it's calm, inspired, or just plain happy, it's your story on your walls. Thanks for hanging out today. Go create a space that feels like home, and catch you next time. Thank you.